So in this video, I'm quickly just going to show you how to add your Zilch card to your Apple Wallet. So firstly, you'll just want to open up the Zilch app to this page here, and then you'll just want to click on the Zilch card option at the top here. And then once you've done that, nice and simple, you just want to click on Add to Apple Wallet. And then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to this page here. And to add to Apple Wallet, you'll just want to press Next. And then once you've done that, you'll get a list of terms and conditions. So give that a read. And if you're happy to click Agree, you can click Agree. And then once you've done that, you'll get the opportunity to make it your default. And if you'd like to make it your default, you can select Use as Default Card here. And then once you've done that, you'll be pulled back through to the Zilch app, which will then confirm that your card is now added to Apple Wallet. And then as you can see here, if we open up our Apple Wallet here, you'll then see your Zilch card here, and then you can go ahead and start using it. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.